What's up, everyone? How's it going today? Welcome back to Wesley Trade. This is week number 8 of the trade recap. And honestly, to sum up this week, it's going pretty good so far. I mean, I'm sticking to my 5-step plan that I came out with last Monday. I told you guys about that in previous videos, and I'm going to continue to stick to that. Seriously, just go day by day, thinking as if the account is brand new, right? We're going to try my best to really hone in on my risk management and just trading psychology in general. A lot of you guys are recommending that I do that, which is awesome. Like we're on the same page, right? We're just getting better at things. And this week, just to do a quick overview. All right, real quick, we're just gonna go over some stats. Here's kind of our stat chart. Our total P&L. We're into down draw right now, but we have some stuff to work on. That's totally fine, right? Every trader does. I'm just kind of excited that I'm able to identify what I have to work on. Anyway, here's our week. We are kind of break even on the week, so down $34.96. Kind of summing up Tuesday. My plan went really well. I'm sticking to just 2 trades a day, and then obviously the 5-step plan. Anyway, here's some other stats throughout the whole life of the account. We're starting to climb back. We're getting better with our risk, and I really do think that we are heading in the right direction. Anyway, so here's last week's chart here. Here's our profit factor, trade win percentage, average win / average loss, right? Very good. We always want this to be greater than 1. Always going to want that to be greater than 1. Every single week. Most active day Tuesday, most profitable day Monday, and least profitable day Wednesday. Average trade duration 42 minutes and 11 seconds. Average win duration 74 minutes and 17 seconds. And then blah blah blah. You got some other stuff here. Yeah, and before we hop into actual video analysis, I just want to say thank you guys very much. We hit 500 subscribers on YouTube in 2 months. Like that's ridiculous. We also have 200 plus members on Discord. I'll leave a link in the description to our free Discord. Like, it's completely free. There's no paid memberships within it. And it's just a great community where you can join and talk to like-minded people about trading. You can pick at people's brains, just kind of see what they think. There's multiple different strategies within the Discord. We have day traders, we have swing traders, we have index, forex, and crypto traders. And stocks, right? We got a vast amount of people in the Discord, and it's growing daily. So I'll put a link in the description below for whoever wants to join that. And you're more than welcome to. And I will also be streaming on Discord there every morning. And then yeah, that's kind of getting to the videos here. We have, first off, we have day 18. This day we take a win. Let's go off to the first trade. We end up taking a win here. Here, let me grab my trade slips for you. All right, so today we actually end up taking 2 trades, 1 loss and 1 win. Honestly, think today was a really good day. Day number 18, our first trade was actually trade number 29 on the account. And some notes that I have here are the manipulation downward. I thought was a very good opportunity for me to buy. One note that I did have is I had too tight of a stop loss. I was trading through an inverse, and I thought the news was good at the time. We do end up getting stopped out relatively quick, I think. Yeah, there we are. We get stopped out here right at this moment. And then jumping forward to our second trade. Here's some notes that I have for this one. No emotion. I thought I had really good risk for this trade. A higher time frame bias was bullish. I believe that's what, yeah, it was a bullish entry. It respected the inverse fair value gap. Again, I thought the positive news was enough to push the market even further than where it was going right now. And then I thought I had a very patient entry. So this one actually ends up playing out with $99 for the day. Thought it was pretty good. And we'll just read through my summary. Super happy with this day of trading. I've pinpointed areas in trading that I need to get better at. I plan to continue to squash my bad mistakes by creating a new set of rules for myself. I make another big step in my trading journey to become profitable. But yeah, honestly, 18, very good learning day for me. So let's head to day 19 real quick. All right, day 19 here, I believe, yeah, we only take 1 trade here, day 19. Some things that I have on my trade slip here. I thought I was very patient for my entry. The lower time frame retracement is what led me to be bullish, or what led me to find a bullish entry, because my higher time frames were bullish bias as well. The 15-minute bullish SMT, which I saw. Number 4, no emotion connected to this trade. I'm really focusing on that as of late, just because as soon as you kind of get emotional, that's when you let doubt creep into your trades, and you just gotta set and forget. And then sticking to my 5 questions. This one was honestly a good loss. I end up learning from this quite a bit. Ends up coming up just about touches break even, but not quite, and kind of falls back downward. But overall, here, if we go on our little summary, very happy with today. My 5-step plan to get my risk reward in check is helping me so much, you guys. I'm continuing to use these rules. I'm also focusing on making my best winning day higher than my highest losing day. We are just getting started, everyone. Bang, right? Another positive day for me. This is day number 19, and we're just going to continue to keep getting better, you guys. We're going to continue to learn from our mistakes. And with that, we jump to day 20. So here on day 20, I take one trade as well. Here, let's get to first trade here. And we find our short entry, which I have. Things that I have on my card. Could have been even more patient. A lower time frame bearish momentum, which I saw. And I believe the 1 hour was looking bearish as well, possibly even the 4 hour. Anyway, chasing a retracement towards the low resistance lows is kind of what I saw, and what was my drawn liquidity for this day here. I think I got to get back to looking at more draws on liquidity and where price wants to head in the right direction. And honestly, as of late, looking back at some of these videos, I realized that I'm kind of fighting the market. And that's one thing I kind of want to change. I don't want to fight the market. Like if it's going up, right? I don't want to just enter in a short because I'm trying to catch a top tick. Sometimes I will catch top ticks, but not all the time am I gonna be catching these full length moves, right? So I'm just gonna continue to take notes on my trading game, right? There's still so much to come. I'm actually gonna buy another funded test here. Honestly, you guys, I'm super happy with today. Super happy overall with this week and how I'm kind of deciding to turn things around. Learning from my mistakes, it's only up from here. I'm only gonna keep getting better, and I can't wait to see where I am 2 years from now.